Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been way too long. You guys can drag me in the comments if you'd like. And today I'm just going to be doing a really quick little eyebrow tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then just keep on watching. This is my better eyebrow, definitely. This eyebrow is like so rude. Also, I just wanted to add a little quick review and let you guys know how awesome this pomade is. I've been using the Anastasia one for 5 years, like since freshman year of high school, and I probably will not be going back. I love this one so much. Me and my roommate did an experiment and we even went to bed in them and woke up and our eyebrows were still perfect. Because with the Anastasia one I had a problem like up in this part it would fade. That does not happen with this. You can sleep in it, you can shower in it. It's amazing and I would definitely recommend it to you guys. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to let me know what else you guys want next. I really hope you like this video. I'm really sorry it took so long. I'm gonna try to not take so long in between videos.